start turning them off, God. That orange blue is so not dead yet. Because look, it's still doing that. And then that one did it. Oh, this one's so fast it went out of the room. They already went out of the room. Turn them off now because I'm starting to get bored. So I want to do something else soon. I actually don't know what. Probably just watch a movie. Oh, that's fast. I thought that was going out. And it was for a while. But it's going so fast. I bet when it was dead, it wasn't even dead. I bet it wasn't even dead. Oh yeah, that pink weasel is getting stripped, the ball. So most likely when it breaks, it's gonna get stripped. Yes? Actually, the taco's running dead now. It's running dead now. These were supposed to be all burnt out, kind of, and they're not. Green and yellows. Because when Logan and Sophia were here, they weren't even working, some of them. But they are now. I only have 5 that are broken now. All the rest work.
Hey, you're supposed to put some sticks in the pile for Daddy.